Inequalities in two variables. We shall be discussing inequalities in two variables by looking at graphs on the XY axis, or what we also call coordinate plane. The first one is giving s greater than or equal to 0. We can represent this graphically. That means we have this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, and this is the origin. The equation of the vertical line is s equal to 0, while the equation of the horizontal line is y equal to 0. Having said that, we have s equal to 0 as the vertical line. This is the equation. But now, what we are told to do is to draw the graph of s greater than or equal to 0. And we have said that inequality graphs or inequality represent a range, a region, an area. So what they are telling us in this case here is that which region of the coordinate axis, the coordinate plane, is represented by s greater than or equal to 0. Of course, the region to your right of the y-axis, which means the region to the line s equal to, the region to the right of the line s equal to 0. In that case, how do we indicate it different from the other region? We indicate it by shading the region where the solution is. In most cases, we use straight lines like this, just few one, to show that this is the region that the solution set lies. In the same way, you may have y greater than or even, let's say, less than or equal to 0. We may have this case. So what happens? We will draw the same graph, the s and y axis. This is your s, this is your y, this is your region. We remember we have said that this line is your y equal to 0. This line here is your y equal to 0. That's the equation of the horizontal line, the s-axis. So in other words, they are asking for y less than or equal to 0. From here, this is above the line, greater than. Then this is below the line. So it is this region they're asking you to shade. Shade of this region. Shade of this region. Shade of this region. Like that. So this region represents the area where y is less than or equal to 0.